Hello, everyone. Hope you're doing well. This is week three's check-in, so I'm really looking forward to week three. It's really interesting. We're talking about Robert's Rules of Order, and I think you also have some interesting assignments. One on verbal communication that has to do with radiology type terminology, so that'll be interesting for you as future radiology techs to dive into that, just to see how you can describe the scenario based on verbal communication. And then secondly, we have Robert's Rules a discussion post, which is due, of course, coming up. First initial post due Wednesday at midnight, and then reply to at least one other student by Sunday at midnight. So that is coming up. I'm really excited for you to review Robert's Rules. Of course, it keeps meetings flowing in a way that they should, and there's a lot of good information in here on how to run a meeting. And a lot of this you have probably seen in settings that might have come up in the past, or either being at work or being at maybe at the local governance level. So really interesting chapter. Be sure you finish your week two um, items before the due date. I know tomorrow is the due date because this is Saturday as I'm recording. Of course, on week two, you have your nonverbal communication reflection that's due by Sunday at midnight, and that is 9/12 at midnight. So be sure to get that done. Otherwise, I think people are doing really well. If you have any questions, please let me know, but I appreciate the feedback that people have given me so far. And if you encounter anything that you think might be a mistake or something that I should fix, please don't hesitate to let me know. At times we miss things, so we want to make sure things flow really smoothly for you as students. So reach out anytime if you need anything, and I appreciate all the work you're doing. Have a good weekend.